guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited because we are getting our new refrigerator delivered today. Now this is the refrigerator that came with the home, and it's missing shelves, it's missing bins. I mean, it keeps the food cold, but I am missing shelves and bins in this refrigerator. So I'm glad that we purchased a new one so I can get my refrigerator organized. So right now I'm going to get ready to clear out this refrigerator, give it a good cleaning, give you some cleaning motivation. And I'm not sure what time the new refrigerator is going to arrive, so I might have to put the items back in here. I'm not sure. So I'm just going to set it to some music right now for you to enjoy while I empty out and clean this refrigerator.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional, it fills me up, it's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush, it overflows, it's out of control, out of control. I'm in love, I'm in love, yeah. I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional, it fills me up, it's out of control, out of control. But baby, I love the rush, it overflows, it's out of control. Your love is exceptional, it fills me up, it's out of control, out of control. Baby, I love the rush, it overflows, it's out of control, out of control. I'm in love, I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional.
Okay, you see I empty out everything on one side of the refrigerator, but guess what, y'all? They just called and said they was on the way with the refrigerator, because I was going to just clean this refrigerator out, have it nice and clean, put the stuff back, because they gave us a time between 11 and 3, and it's now a little after 12, so I don't have to put this stuff back in that refrigerator. I could put it in the new refrigerator. So I'm just going to finish cleaning out the refrigerator on the freezer side. Excuse me, y'all. I think I was spitting. Excuse me. I'm just going to clean out the refrigerator on the freezer side. And guys, we'll soon be getting our new refrigerator. Yay! And this fridge is going to go into the garage, you know, as an overflow for holidays and things like that. If we need to use another refrigerator or freezer, we have it. But I'm excited, guys. Yay! The refrigerator is almost here. Okay, let me finish emptying out this refrigerator.
Hey, baby.
Now, y'all, I've been buying butter, and look, I have a whole thing of butter. See, this is when you know when your food is packed up in your freezer and you don't know what you really have. I didn't need to buy butter. Shaking my head. So I'm going to hurry up and clean this side of the freezer before they get here. Oh, look, guys, I still left stuff.
Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine?
y'all, they are here, and there go our new refrigerator. So they're getting ready to bring it in. They have moved our dining room table over. You know, we moved the chairs out the way. They're going to bring it through this way. So here they are taking the door off the hinge because it's not enough space to get that refrigerator through the door. And they making preparation here so that they can bring the refrigerator in to that opening in the kitchen. I would like to say, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Carol. I'm a wife, a mother, and a grandmother. My husband and I have been married for 42 beautiful years. My channel is a lifestyle channel, and I love to share decorating, home decor, motivating, cleaning motivation, doing DIY projects with my husband, and so much more. So if this type of content interests you, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, tap that notification bell. You'll have your ticket to board this train with us, because this train is full of inspiration, motivation, innovation, but most of all, enjoyment. So I hope I see you aboard, and thank you so much for stopping by. And to all of my subscribers, you guys know I love y'all. As I continue on this journey, thank you so much for being so supportive and so encouraging. I really appreciate that so much. You guys just don't know how much. Thank you. After they took out the old refrigerator, I ran ahead and cleaned the floor real good because it was filthy. So while he was bringing in a new refrigerator, he said, I almost slipped. I said, wait a minute, let me dry the floor real good. Okay, y'all, the fridge is in, and I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see how it looks. Okay, this refrigerator is a Samsung refrigerator, so which it has the like I said, the double doors, as you can see. It has a picture over here. I got to see how to take it out. I don't want to just pull it. And on this side, you can click it, and you can reach in from here without opening up one side of the refrigerator. You can just reach in and get it, or you can open it wide like this. Like I said, or you can just open it, not all the way. The shelves that will go here, but after I finish putting it together. But guys, I love my refrigerator. I'm so glad, because the other refrigerator, I mean, it kept everything cold, and the freezer was good. It was really good, but we really needed a new refrigerator because it was missing shelves and everything. So I am happy with my new fridge. So I'm going to get ready to clean it and get the ice cream back in here before it melts. Okay, I put all the items back in the refrigerator. I didn't film it because I'm quite sure you don't want to see me just repack this refrigerator. So everything in here packed away. I think I need to do a little bit more food shopping. But I'm just glad that I'm able to, you know, store items away like I would like to. So here I'm showing you the side fridge, and that's the water dispenser that dispenses water in that picture automatically. And here's the freezer, which has 2 drawers, which is really nice, and it also has a divider so I can separate items, which is really good. So I really like the separation here because with this separate freezer at the bottom, it gives you more space and more room than a side-by-side refrigerator. And the top opens wide enough so I can put large items inside a refrigerator, or large dishes or something I'm preparing. I have more room, so I just really love the space. And that will do it for this video. If you watch up until now, thank you so much. And I'll see y'all next Tuesday on my next video. Be blessed and stay safe. Bye-bye.